Hello, Mister. This is simulation of GBP on the 13th April 2020. This is the simulation of the New York session. What we see on the weekly is that previous week was bullish, making a lower high, higher high, higher high, higher low. Daily, uh, Friday was bearish, but we see the week was bullish. Overall, it seems, yeah, what we see is structure is bearish from here. Because if we put this as the high, well, possibly, yeah, I would say this is still bearish. Yeah, the base for the bearish structure is this candle high. As long as we stay above there with a close of a candle, if we stay above, if sorry, as long as we stay below there, we'll be bearish on structure on the daily time frame. H4. Um, let's first have a look at the structure. I would say that we are bullish because we have this low. The question is, where does it come from? I think it comes from there. Oh, no, no, this low came from there. So this was the base for the down move. Then this high was broken by this candle, meaning we are bullish now. We are bullish now. We had, yeah, sure. We are bullish. Okay. So on that H4, which is bullish, with this range, price broke out the range, made a support outside the range, but went back up in with the close of this candle. Now current candle is making a downwick, testing this support, the old support. So if we break above here, I think we are bullish. 135.14. Where is that level? Just above here. If we are above here, yeah, we definitely will go up to visit this resistance, which is 20 pips away. But as you can see, we have a lot of trouble. With this minor resistance, we have this minor resistance with the wicks. So definitely it's not easy to go up. It would be far more easy to go down. That's against the H4 trend. And 30 doesn't look easy either to go up. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to buy. I would be ready to sell below here. But that's against the trend. So now we got this break outside of the range. Let's see if we can get an entry. What I want to see for that is price waking up, breaking down. waking up. Let's see if we can get a trade. Okay, beautiful. 5 minutes before the candle is going to close. It's a bit nasty. So we can either wait for the candle to close, but what we just expect is price to continue down because the price didn't make a higher high on M30. Let's have a look at M15. M15 we had the break, then we had a bullish candle, so I can't sell as long as we have a bullish candle. So yeah, I need to wait for the candle close. So let's do that. Oopsie. Okay, let me see if we can. It is really hard because now we are at this support. This looks better though. Yeah, let's see if we can get a wick up to go down. Because what we expect is price. We have a lower high, lower low, a bearish candle, so we expect lower prices. Wake up. That would be nice if it rejects this support. Wake up. And if it breaks the low, yep. Yeah, now I can sell. I only want a 1% risk trade. I can. I'm quite okay. Well, should not come into the range. Let's put a stop there. TP like here, 3 pips above, like 60. So, like there. Only problem is this wick. Okay, M30 closed bearish with no wick on the button. M15, yeah, it looks quite good. Now we have a problem. M15 closing like bullish. We are in drawdown, so I have to manage my trade and close 50% of my trade. Let's do that. Minus 6 pips. If you do break this low, I'll add risk. Oh, need to rewind a bit. The speed is far too high. If you break this low, that's what I said. I want to sell. Add risk back again. Oh, it's really too fast. I'm making a mess. This was the close. Come on. Got to be careful because I know how it went down. It's really sideways. 50. So this is the open of London. So London open, H1 bearish. We should expect lower prices. M30 bullish if we make a lower low. Let me sell there if we make this lower low. Because we have a weak bullish candle. If we then go below, that's really a beautiful sell. That's the volume to expect. Let's see if we get that trade. Would be nice to see an upwick. Okay, okay. The only problem here that it happens in the first 2 minutes, so I can't take the trade. I still can't take the trade. 4.5 pip in profit. Let's see if we can get like 10 pips or so. 8.5 pip. should move my stop to like above there. Let's pick a stop. Okay, weird. Let me see if I can grab like 11 pips. Yeah, let me close 80% of the trade. What? Close partial. 80%. Close. And let the rest run. Um, 1 second. Let me put the break even exit. Break even. Out. Okay. That's quite nice. Let's see if we can get another entry. On 30 we have 2 candles now with no. Oh no, sorry. It's not correct. And 15 we have this strong support forming, but it's only M15 the rejection of this auto resistance. Quite beautiful. M30 we just don't have anything yet because the candle did not close. What did the H1 look like? Weak bearish. H4 will close in 45 minutes. Seems it's going to form resistance. Let's see what we get in 15 minutes on the M30. Yes, it closes. This really closes weak bearish. If we break the high, probably we can trade up to there. Well, we broke the high, made a small lower wick, and 15. That's the only problem. It happens in the first 2 minutes of the new candle, so this easily can also become the wick up to go down again to trying to test again this wick. So I cannot enter a trade just because of the time. Let's see what happens. So that was an awesome decision. M15 closed, bearish, rejecting this area. M15 closed outside of its range. It's 10 pips for a 7 pip stop. So can we get the wick fill? Feels for me like a cowboy trade, but we are just 45 minutes into New York, rejecting this range. We're below here. Yeah, let me take the trade. 1% risk. Like 83 for this TP. or even this TP. We're back at entry. Rejected this. Rejected that. Again, I really should be careful here. Yeah, let me manage risk. Close 50%. Oh, let me close again 50% because we came above this candle. What's that huge spread of 2.4 pips? Man. Okay. The spread is huge. Took me out. Okay. And 30. Created support. Made a higher high. Created support but was not able to pass this resistance. So now, oh wow, another rejection. Now we got the break of this resistance. $13 pip. Yeah, let me buy right away. Yeah, look to this. Support formed. Let me buy. Only problem is this, but that's like 13 pips away. That's beautiful. Yeah, let me buy. 1% risk trade. Stop below the wick. TP for now. Well, like, yeah, just let's take that. Go. Should go up. Okay, I'm closing. Like 50% soon. Yeah. Candle close bearish. M15. Should not have done that. Let me close 50% on my trade. And see what we have going further. I think I just should have closed everything. Just doesn't look good. Nasty. Bye bye Monday. Okay. Tuesday. H4 is in the range. H1 rejected this area. Made another huge wick down. On M30, here's the rejection of this sideways consolidation area, and we made a support. And 15. Yeah, that's quite nice. It's quite just this pin bar is the only problem. Just not really a problem on M30. Yeah, we closed above this resistance, which is really beautiful. Let's see how to get in. I want the down wick formed. I hope to get an impulse entry. This happened only in the first 3 minutes, which is too difficult. If we get a break of its own high, I'm in. So let's be careful. Break of its own high. That's what I look for. Okay, M15. Now we got resistance formed. Still interested to buy above the high of this candle. I can't sell here. Just can't do it. So much problems here. See how the M30 closes. 8, 9. Okay, M30 closes. Strong bearish. At support. Can't do anything. Now we got support formed on M30 right here, but we didn't break resistance, so we got to wait for a break of resistance. Now we got lower resistance, we got to see to break that. Okay, this looks quite interesting. Now we got the break of the resistance with a nice pin up, high low, testing this support. H1 closes weak bullish. Okay, this means on M30. Well, if we get above these wicks, I'm ready to buy. But also on H1, this weak bullish candle, if you break its low, I'm really happy to sell. Let's see what we get. have now is that we didn't create bottom wick yet. M15 is about to close. M15 closed. Bullish above resistance. So if we break this high of this bearish candle, which is kind of doji, I will buy. We are into London open already. Watch out. We should get an entry. Okay, we got the break of this high. 5 minutes and 30 candles closing. Let's wait for that. This is beautiful. We got a close above everything with a nice wick on the top. So let's go for 2% risk to buy. Stop below here. TP like here. Should work. 12, like, let's put it there. Should work. 1 to 1. Accept. Okay. Let me close like 80%. And let's decide what we do. Put the break even stop to the stop to break even. We are 1 hour into Asian session. We have this huge we have this beautiful rejection from this area. Let me take out my TP. See what we can get. next candle should go up with higher, low, higher, high. Hope they don't take us out again. But this should be quite safe. And to this low to the bottom of the candle. Okay, break even. That's a pity. Good. And look at that. Again. Nasty. Okay, let's go to Wednesday. Wednesday, current week is bearish. Previous week was bullish. Current week could not break the high. Daily tried to make high highs, but formed resistance, like here. Today's candle is bearish. Made a lower high. Made a lower low. H4. We broke out of this range. The close of this candle was below the range. Current candle tested the range. Tested also the low, so this is quite risky. H1. Okay. H1. We had this support formed. We have this resistance. If you can close inside this range, there's a high chance we will test the highs again. But currently we are testing the breakout here. We made a new resistance. This is interesting. We can have a wick fill, but it's a bit dangerous because already 3 times we see this rejection, and if we look to the left we can see it was like this. Resistance, support by that wick, and now 3 times support. Bit too dangerous to do anything here, isn't it? Support formed there, resistance formed there. We can't do anything right now. We need to see something on M30 at least. So now we got it breakout on M30. If we got a candle making an upper wick, it would be nice to sell from there. Let's see what we get. Hope it wicks up. Hardly wicks up. We already broke the low of the previous candle, so that's quite interesting to sell. We only passed 3 minutes. I don't want to lose this trade. I'm 15. resistance, lower resistance. Let's see how it breaks here. Can I do an impulse entry here? New York Open is at 15. It's a bit early. It's a bit early. It's a bit early. On the hourly, we got nice range to go there. Or should we say for now to go there? What's the room? Like 13 pips with a stop. Like 30 pips or I skip the trade. I skip the trade. The hourly support is too close. Let's just see how it reacts there. Let's see on the hourly close. Okay, the hourly is almost closing. 3 minutes. Hourly closed. Bearish. And 30 closed like a weak bearish candle. And 50 made support. Nothing I can do. M30 close, bullish, making lower support. Can't do anything. Okay, M30 closed, New York open. Closed below this bullish candle. 81 closing, strong bearish. It's almost no wick at the bottom. Let's see. I'm eager to sell. Let's see if we get that wick up. I can't do that in the first 2 minutes. I can't do that. If now price breaks the low of this current candle, I will be happy to sell. That's my cell. Bit more to break this. Yeah. Oh, that's the wrong button. Break this candle. Yeah, that's beautiful. Sell. Stop above there. 18 pips. TP, I have no clue. Terrible. H4 looks so terrible. M1. Oh wow, this is so dangerous. $60 pips. Like that. Oh, stop. That's not what I want. I wanted to take TP, mate. Okay. %90 closure. I'll let the rest run. Yeah, done. Nice. That's Wednesday. Let's go to Thursday. Thursday. With this close in the range, but then close outside of the range. Even below here. That's break, so we should expect to go down to revisit this support. That's what we expect from H4. H1 really looks interesting. We broke out of this range. Now we want to see price making an upwick to go down. Let's see if we can get that. It just goes. We also have this support here. This support here. I want to see M30. I was a bit quick. Let's go to M30. M30 we had this break. Retest. Let's see if we can make a bearish close here. looks like it's going to close bearish. So that's true. Rejecting this, but of course also we have this problem here. This is very close. We better should trade like there. Let's wait for a close there below. Let's wait for a close below this support. We are back in the range. H1. We are back in the range. Now we can expect price to visit up here. So let me take a 1% trade, risk trade. Buy with TP like here, and a stop below M30 or below M15. Stop below M15. Accept. High risk. I can't do this. M15, it does not look good. H1 looked good, but well, M30 close. Well, let's try. I don't like M15, but it's the lowest confirmation time frame. I think it's a stop. Yeah, stop me out. Bad trade. Let's see how we can go on. M30. We got this rejection on M15. We got support formed on M15, probably H1 did not close yet. M30 closed strong bullish, so let me try again. Stop below the wick, TP there, which gives 1-to-1. Accept. Let's manage risk on M15. Let's go. M15 closed bearish. I need to take off 50% on my trade. And let's see what we get next. Well, we came below here. I want to take off another 50%. This is London open. Sorry, New York open. Oh wow. stop me out. See how the candle close. Below support. And 30 below support. So here we got a difficulty. Because the support is 10 pips there. Let me sell right away. 1% risk. With stop there. TP there, but I would say let's put it there. Accept. And I'm quite sure about this trade. First minutes of the candle was a test, making the wake up. I'm 15 close bullish. Let me take off risk, closing 50%. Let me close another 50% because we broke the high. So, beautiful. I knew it was a high risk trade because we didn't have a lot of room there. So, let's see a little bit better what we got here. We are in the range. Let's see how we can get out of this range. No trade. Just no trade. No trade at all. No. No trade. Okay, Friday. So Friday M30. We have this huge support area that made an impulse move, creating this support, huge resistance. So we have support and resistance. This support is rejected by 3 candles. Latest candle, wick down, closed, strong bullish, engulfed. It's a little bit difficult. Can I enter this in 15? just don't know. And 15 is still making lower lows, low highs. No, I feel I can't do anything. So on M15, M15 now, we are in the range, but it tricked us below in the range. Rejected this high, but I feel if you can get above, I think that's a buy, because M30 we already saw this. Yeah, let's see. Yep. Yep. I'm just going to buy here 1% risk trade. Yeah, like that. That's 29 pips. That's far too much. Let me put it like here. Then a few pips below. What about this? 50, 49. Yeah, 1 to 1. Okay, got to manage risk again because M15 I got a bearish candle. If we close below, I will close another 50%. But if we cross above, I will put my risk back. Yeah, a little bit late. Buy. Sorry, that's wrong. 0.5% because that's what I lost. Buy. Stop below current candle. TP at the, like the other one. Let's now run at at once to TP. Now we got 30 pips from the first one. Let me close like 80%. Let's put both TPs to break even. Let the rest run. Okay. What happened? Break even. Damn. So this is not so good week. Did not make even a percent. Okay, thank you.